we'll guide you through on how to send someone multiple images on WhatsApp. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's just say you want to send multiple images to someone. So first of all, select his chat. As you can see, I'm in a chat right now. And after clicking on the chat, you need to click on the camera icon in the bottom, as you can see, near the chat. Click on the camera icon. After that, open up the images menu, and you can see all the images and pictures on your device, and the videos as well. So there's two ways you can add multiple images. For example, let's just say I click on this sky image, and now I can add images to it. As you can see, there's a plus icon with the image in the bottom left near the add caption. So just click on it, and now you can choose multiple images that you want to send. But there's also another way. Let's just say you need to click on the camera icon. You need to click on the camera icon again and open the slide up to open the images section and videos section. Now, instead of clicking on the image, you can hold it, like hold on to it. For example, I'm holding on to the same image that I selected earlier, which is this one. And as you can see, you can choose multiple images at this time. It's pretty basic. It's the same like the previous one. There's just two ways to do that. So yeah, I find this one pretty easier and a lot simpler than the previous one. So yeah, just do that. Click on the images that you want to send. So let's just say I want to send these images to him. And yeah, that's it. And click on the tick mark in the bottom. After that, you can preview the images in a bunch, like as you can see. You can click on the images to see them. And if you want to delete something, like let's just say I don't want this image here, so you need to click on the image and click on it again. As you can see, there's a delete option on it. There's a delete icon on it. So yeah, let's just click on it, and there you go, it got deleted. Let's delete this one too. Yeah, so that's how you delete. And when you're done editing, you can even edit the images specifically. Like for example, I want to edit this and I want to point out something. So yeah, I'll just open this image and I can circle something and click on done. And yeah, that'll be just for this image. So you get the point. You can edit images as well. And when you're done editing and doing whatever you want to do with the images, just click on the send icon in the bottom, and there you go. The images are gone. And that's how you send someone multiple images on WhatsApp.